In this video, you'll discover the 10 habits to save a lot of money and how to implement each one of them. You know that disappointment when you receive your paycheck, pay your debts, and realize that not a single dollar is left for you to save? Believe it, the secret to avoiding this is hidden in the small things you do every day, which accumulate by the end of the month, enabling you to save up to 10 times more money. Stay until the end, because the 10th habit can transform your financial life and you can start applying it today. I'm Biel, and the first habit is something many underestimate: daily expense evaluation. Now you might think, why bother with small expenses? But here's the truth. It's these small expenses, often overlooked, that add up to significant amounts at the end of the month. The solution? Use financial management apps. For example, I use a template in Notion where I note both my expenses and my income throughout the month. These are powerful tools that help you track where every penny is going. By doing this, you create a financial awareness that is crucial to understand your consumption patterns and, ultimately, better control them. This habit is the foundation for building solid and lasting financial health. The second habit is about being strategic with your meals and shopping. It's more than just saving money. It's about cultivating a more conscious and organized lifestyle. Start by planning your weekly meals. This helps you avoid buying food you don't need, reducing waste and impulsive spending. When you go to the supermarket with a clear list, you become immune to shelf temptations and impulse buying. Plus, by planning ahead, you reduce the frequency of trips to the market, saving time and fuel. It's a cycle of benefits that positively impacts various areas of your life. Moving on to the third habit, economical transportation methods. This is where many of us can cut significant costs without sacrificing quality of life. Think about it. How much do you spend each month on gasoline, parking, tolls, insurance, and car maintenance? Now imagine cutting that amount in half. Sounds good, right? Even if you can't adopt these alternatives every day, incorporating them into your routine a few times a week can lead to significant savings over the year. Consider alternatives like carpooling, public transportation, or biking to make this a reality. Besides the economic benefit, these alternatives also offer environmental and health advantages, especially if you choose to bike. And remember, every little saving adds up to a significant result in the end. Let's dive into habit 4, cutting unnecessary subscriptions. It's easy to sign up for a myriad of streaming services, fitness apps, loyalty programs, and then forget about them. These small monthly payments add up to a considerable amount over the year. So, take a moment to review all your subscriptions. Ask yourself if you really use this service regularly and what benefits it brings you. If the answer is no, it's time to cancel. This cost-cutting exercise can be surprisingly liberating and effective. In addition to saving money, it helps simplify your life, focusing only on services that genuinely add value to your daily routine. Do you think you spend too much on unnecessary services? Leave it in the comments. The fifth habit is about being smart in shopping. In a world where sustainability is increasingly important, buying second-hand or discounted items is a smart way to save money and be environmentally conscious. Many second-hand items have exceptional quality at a fraction of the cost. Also, keep an eye out for promotions and discounts in online stores. This approach not only saves money, but also lets you discover unique and valuable pieces. Adopting this habit means embracing more conscious and responsible consumption, making use of what's already available, reducing waste, and supporting the circular economy. Continuing our journey towards financial freedom, we encounter habit 6, credit card self-discipline. This habit is crucial in personal finance management. According to a survey, the main cause of debt in the American population is credit cards. When misused, they can become a trap of high-interest debts. However, if used wisely, they can be valuable allies, offering convenience and even rewards. The key to using credit cards to your advantage is self-discipline. This means spending within your means and paying the full bill each month. This avoids the accumulation of interest and keeps your credit score healthy. A credit card is a tool, not a free pass to spend irresponsibly. Habit 7 goes beyond practice and delves into the realm of knowledge. Investing in financial education. Poor financial decisions are often made due to a lack of knowledge. Therefore, invest time and, if necessary, money in learning personal finance. Start with the basics: budgeting, saving, debts, and investments. There's a wealth of resources available, such as books, blogs, podcasts, and online courses. Another way to educate yourself financially is by following finance channels, like this one. So, subscribe and turn on notifications to receive upcoming videos. Habit 8. Networking. This habit is about leveraging the power of the community to enrich your financial knowledge. Participating in groups, online forums, and local communities on economy and investments can be extremely valuable. In these spaces, you have the opportunity to share experiences, learn from others' successes and failures, and stay updated on the latest trends and investment strategies. Moreover, networking can open doors to investment opportunities, partnerships, and valuable advice. Do not underestimate the value of a good conversation with someone who has more experience or knowledge in a specific area. Remember, learning is a continuous process, and building a network of reliable and informed contacts can be one of your greatest tools for financial success. We've reached Habit 9, reviewing and adjusting financial goals. It's essential to periodically review your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debts, or investing in education. Evaluate your progress and make adjustments as necessary. During this review, ask yourself, do your goals still reflect your current priorities? And are you facing new opportunities that require changes in your financial plan? Adjusting your goals is not a sign of failure, but a smart adaptation to life's realities. Comment here if you already have your financial goals for this year and what they are. Habit 10. Smart investments. This habit is crucial not just for saving money, but for growing your wealth. Investing can be straightforward and is a key long-term strategy. Start by learning about various investment options like stocks, mutual funds, and real estate, focusing on diversification to balance risks and maximize returns. Whether conservative or adventurous, choose investments that align with your goals and life situation. You don't need large sums to start. Online investment platforms allow you to start small, and the power of compound interest grows these investments over time. Adopting this habit of wise investing is a significant step towards robust and lasting financial health, paving the way for financial freedom. There's an entire universe of opportunities waiting for you, from stocks and bonds to alternative investments like crypto and real estate. This is the area where your money can truly start working for you. The more you know, the more empowered you'll be to make smart decisions and maximize your returns. Remember, investment knowledge isn't just for the experts. It's accessible to everyone who is willing to learn. Now, if you want to know how to use these habits without sacrificing your quality of life, I recommend you watch the video that is appearing on the screen right now. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, please subscribe and click the like button. See you in the next video. Good investments.